Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to share and talk about law of attraction. So today we're going to learn how the law of attraction we can use in our personal and professional goals. So how the law of attraction works. So that's what I'm going to talk about, the law and attraction. So this I made like a different parts, part one, part two, part three. And today, all I'm going to talk about the law and attraction. Do they work? Or are they working in our life, every day to every day, our life? And the question is how we can use law of attraction in every day to every day in our life. So let's start with introducing myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm